What's up, everybody? We're playing another Heroes and Generals. Dark Eagle here, by the way, if you didn't know. Oh, this one. Oh. Yes, this is another Salt map that I suck at. Ooh, get in. Ooh, there we go. Anyone else? Anyone? Okay, let's go. It's pretty dark. I don't know if it's dark for you guys. Alright. Come on. Slow. Slowness is slow. Okay, so last time I played, I was on the other team, well, other side that we spawned. So I didn't replace. Ooh. Really? That was fast. I didn't do anything. That was lame. Holy crap. Oh! I guess I spawned in and already finished or close to finishing game. Fair enough. Fair enough. Watch, somebody's gonna be like, wait for me. Oh no, he's got his own car. I don't care anymore. Wow. We're doing so well. So well. Well, we're actually pretty good. Not doing so bad. I'm gonna go stealth. Stop running me over. Come on. Okay. Oh crap, we got planes. I hear them. Nice teamwork. Oh, whoa. That's gonna go. Oh, did it make it in? What? Okay. That's a lot of bullets for one place. Yeah, that's right. We got this one, sons. You can't do nothing about it. If you guys want to see more Heroes and Generals, comment down below, like anything in that nature of things. And if you want to see more Minecraft or a different game, please tell me what you would like to see, and I will do my very best, and we will see. I'm gonna cover this one. Oh, whew. I was about to shoot you, dude. That plane, though. There should be a rocket launcher nearby, right? I mean, there should be something somewhere. Anything over here? No? Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just poke my head out for anyone to shoot if you're... Because I really want a rocket launcher. Is there something in here? Something... I think. Whatever. Oh, that's a nice little spot. Do that kind of. Oh wait. Oh crud. Crud. I'm gonna just go all weird on him. Did I get him? No. Let me throw a bomb. Gosh dang it! I even knew it too. What's wrong with me? Crap. Gotta be kidding me. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Forwards. Still pretty touchy. Oh well. No one. Is that a dead cow? What was that? The planes. I want a plane. That is my goal, to get a plane. If he drops on me, I swear I'm gonna be... Oh, there's a thing there. Hey, that's my old car. I'm gonna just run you over. Holy cow. I think they were paranoid that they'd be attacked. But it was good paranoia, I guess, because they were attacked. Ooh, penetrated armor. Yeah, why am I shooting an airplane with a gun? Oh, crud. That sounds like a strong, weird gun. Oh crap, that's why. Oh, just kidding. You guys got it. What did you use? A pistol? Okay. That's why it sounded all weird. What happened? We were winning. I don't get it. Oh, wow. We are really hightailing it back up there, aren't we? Which is weird because we have 1 and they have 3. I don't get it. I don't know how it works, but whatever. I'm not complaining. It's good. We're winning. Well, now we are. I'm going to go back in that room. We were going way up there. What's up? Sorry, I'll get out of your way. Stupid plane. Oh, crud. He just dropped. But by what? That's my question. I'm afraid I'm just gonna get shot, not knowing from where. There's probably a rocket launcher up here, because I really want to shoot down a plane like that. Either get one or shoot one down. Both I'd be totally okay with. Nothing. Should have known. It's too good to be true. Wow. Looks like he's going pretty slow, but I guess not. Whatever. Okay, there's nothing up here. Bummer. Whatever. We're good. We can do this. Yes. Just wait. Coming. Yes. Alright. Crap. Crap. I can't get him anymore. Oops. Ooh, that was a big explosion. Back up, bro. What am I missing? I'm just in a freaking trap. That's what this is. Hold to heal. Am I healed? No. Ooh. Nah. Dude, heal. Okay, we're good. Holy crap, who are you? I'm gonna get back in a truck and... Whoa, 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 whoa. Gonna get shot because the guy's right behind me. Whoa! I don't care for that gun. That was scary. Holy crap, who are you? Okay. Whew. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. Oy vey, por favor. Hey, okay. All you people look the same. How could I ever tell? Let me get in the gun. Hold the heal. Oh crap. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Who are you? I thought I Can I? How fast? Whatever, just go. Wait, I don't like waiting. Get back in the fight. No squeaky chair. Squeaky chair. Ondele. Okay. That is a dead cow. Holy crap. Or is it a horse? I don't know. It's just dead something. Look at the moon. It's so nice. Alright. Oi. Oi. Come on, guys. We're doing good. Let's not lose it. Holy crap. Where am I going? Can I break this? Oh, yeah. No fences. If I'm not making enough more noise. Bruh! Come on! You can't just headshot a guy. That's awfully rude. Some people, children, man. Maybe if I... Of course some guy comes and shoots me. Criminy. Gonna have to get back there then. I'm just gonna spawn in and find whoever did that and kill him. Cause that was not cool, brah. Where the crud was he? Never even saw him when I was here. Then when was he in this one? I don't know where he was. Hold up. I wanna shoot somebody with your gun while you drive. mostly for that plane. Ha 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 ha. Wait, what did I miss? Oh, yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. I can't move. Main gun. I'm getting shot at. I missed. I had a good shot too. Come on, pop out. Holy crap, that's an intense gun. There you are. Come on, now's the prime time. Penetrated, yes. Keep firing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, why is it when he gets the closest I can't shoot? How many bolts does it take? Knock down. Never. Oh, is that it? No. Well, it could be. No, he's turning. Better freaking go down, fool. Get down. Yes. If he parachuted, I'm gonna shoot him. Oh, crap. Oh. I don't know where he went. Where he is. Oh, there he is. Okay. I'm gonna go sneak attack. Did you run behind the tree or into the building? We're gonna find out in 5 seconds. Maybe less. Oh, little coward. Come on. Ah, reloading is... come on, man. Oh, I hate reloading. This sucks. Come on. I feel stupid. Wait, he was in one of these, wasn't he? Where was he? Which one was he in? Which one? There was a tree involved. That one, right? And then I shot him in. Yeah. Oh, now I got a guy, though. Still in there. That was a stupid idea. Okay. Oh, crap. Maybe he is still in there. Hold on. I'll be right back. I don't think he's still in there. I think we ended up killing him. What? Where'd he go? Oh yeah, I forgot the guy's in the car, but he'll be fine. Just shoot people. I want to get in this thing again. Oh, you're on my team. Man, this thing is slow. Where is it even? Just way the crap over there. At least I kind of got it, right? Oh, he killed... Oh. Wait, where's the enemy one, though? Weird. Very weird. Huh. Okay, well then.